Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Google Meet link that you can share to your colleagues or meeting attendees. So here I'm going to open the Google Meet on my phone. So you can open it on your phone or maybe on your computer, and to create the link you can just click on new here. Click on the new, then you can create a new meeting right away, or you can also schedule it in Google Calendar. I'm going to just click on create new meeting, and then after that so after that here you can get the link. So what you need to do is copy this link and then click on share, or you can just click on the shares right away, and then you can share it to your colleagues by WhatsApp, email, or you can also add it share it Facebook or on any other social media. Okay, so that's a tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.